Hey there, I'm Chef Ani and today we are making vegan chili and I am really excited about this recipe. It's not only gorgeous, delicious, and nutritious, it's also super simple and easy to make and I think you're going to love it. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by sauteing some onion in a little bit of olive oil, or you could use water. Next, we're going to add some chopped green pepper along with some minced garlic. Next, we're going to add in our seasoning, some cumin, oregano, smoked paprika, chili powder, some salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We're going to cook this for a little bit before adding in our crushed tomatoes and vegetable stock. Moving on, we're going to add in our beans. Today I'm using black beans, pinto, and small kidney beans, but you could use your favorite type of beans. Next, we're going to bring this up to a boil and simmer for a few minutes. Once our chili is cooked for a little bit, we're going to add in some fresh lime juice, better than bouillon, nutritional yeast, and a little bit of vegan margarine, but this is optional. And I like to finish this dish with some sliced scallions and some chopped cilantro. And there you have it. Look at that beautiful chili. Perfect especially for these colder months that are right around the corner. You can serve it with fresh ingredients like avocado, cilantro, tomato, maybe a fresh salsa, or you can make my favorite vegan cornbread recipes on my website. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time with another video.